Calvin touches me, he'll be arrested for assault.
I need some form of ID. You give it to me, I'll smack your sucker.
Yeah, I don't have a file.
Shut your mouth, I'm talking!
Did I not give you a warning?
You gave me a warning, but I have a right in the United States. I know my right.
I don't give a shit.
I will turn my pen into a camera so I can document police brutality in every area. They're following a corporate agenda to repress the people from Asia to America. Many stories kept out of the mainstream media of police acting worse than the mafia. Keep an eye on them, let's protect one another from the ruthless mercenary militia. Let's go. I saw footage of a fragile old lady being beat up by a big ruthless male cop awfully. Another unarmed woman crying, screaming, "Get off me!" More than 8 officers arresting her aggressively, on top pinning her down to the ground mercilessly. Most of the police officers are nothing more than bullies, tasering and abusing very young children, ages 12 and 9-year-old kids, even younger, being beaten by the police. Multiple incidents happen every evening all around the world while the people are sleeping. Police brutality is increasing while the quality of life decreasing. Instead of feeding the people, they are policing us in this time of crisis and social unrest. They claim we're free, but they don't allow us to protest. They beat us up and arrest us when we request an end to injustice and equality to the oppressed. What? I say enough is enough. Crooked cops acting tough. Our whole human race is being handcuffed. So many people around the world are living rough. So how come you can't see that? Tell me, Mr. Sheriff. You're following orders that hurt your own people. Like the Gestapo, you're only repeating the cycle of evil. You're doing the biddings of the devil. We fight for the rights of your own children, spiritual rebels. If you're not carrying a camera, then instead use the pen so you can document all the corrupt policemen. Take their badge numbers and names down right then and there. If you ever notice that an incident has happened, observe them, make sure you record every second. Remember every minute and detail of the abuse witnessed. Do not be threatened, make it your business. If you see them for some reason gang up on someone who is defenseless, they harass us for a small traffic violation. Always serious, never smiling, they act like robots with no compassion. Talk down to us, treat us as if we're all small children. Modern day overseers, gatekeepers of the system. Listen, the people fall victim and serial killers run free to starve nations, torture millions and bomb countries. They shoot unarmed civilians and then fabricate stories, storm and shoot up the homes of innocent families. Many times they kill the wrong person, mistaken identity, and they get away with the worst crimes easily. They even shot and killed an unarmed double amputee while he was on his wheelchair. How much more cowardly can you get? Gang up on people and accuse them falsely, cover up for one another all the crimes and dirty games they play with the people's lives causes misery. Any decent person does not last as a cop, obviously. Say it one more time. I will turn my pen into a camera so I can document police brutality in every area. They're following a corporate agenda to repress the people from Asia to America. Many stories kept out of the mainstream media of police acting worse than the mafia. Keep an eye on them, let's protect one another from the ruthless mercenary militia. They claimed it was a suicide, the death of Chavez Carter, a young man caught with a small amount of marijuana. They searched him twice but claimed they didn't find the gun he supposedly used, but it was clearly a murder. He was handcuffed in the back of the police vehicle. That was when they claimed he shot himself in his right temple. But the boy was left-handed, so how could the pistol be in his right? They killed him with no witness to the evil. Yo, each and every day there are thousands of Rodney Kings, but not documented, so the incidents remain hidden. They destroy evidence of the crimes they commit often. In many prisons they act like it was a medieval dungeon. Their canines attack like creatures out of a sci-fi movie. I wonder what they went through to become that angry. They probably tortured the poor dog till his vision is blurry. And why the hell are the police being trained by the military? Because they're preparing for martial law in every city. Coldly shoot you like firing squads, leave you full of bullet holes. Then they claim they thought it was a gun, but it was a wallet. Law enforcement equals ego power trips, let's face it. And then you wonder why we don't trust them not a bit. They implant agent provocateurs to instigate further conflict. You might be above the government's law, powerful for a bit, but tables will turn and unto God's law you shall submit.